What's on, puppy? Darcy, that's enough. Now stop. No. It's okay, Push. You're a good girl. It's okay. No. No, no, no. You can't eat flowers. You make you poorly tumbly. Not it? Oh, do you want Mum to do that for you? Yeah, Mum said. Put your head up then. Like this. Oh, that's better, Mum. Oh, that's lovely, Mum. They're much better, Mum. Oh, fix my itchy witches. Now fix my itchy witches. Good girl.